Discover online design courses by ICT Skills. Unlock your creative potential with our curated selection of online design courses. Whether you're an aspiring graphic designer, UX/UI enthusiast, or looking to master design software, our courses cater to all skill levels and interests. Transform your passion for design into a rewarding career. Browse our courses and take the first step towards becoming a skilled designer. Our course offerings: graphic design, master Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Create stunning visuals for print and digital media. UX/UI design. Design seamless user experiences and intuitive interfaces. Dive deep into usability principles and design thinking. Web design. Build responsive websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Learn to optimize for performance and user engagement. Why choose our design courses? Expert-led curriculum, flexible learning, hands-on projects. Certifications. Explore ickskills.in for wide range of live online designing courses and take the first step toward a rewarding career today. Visit our website www.ictskills.in or call us 9499569596. Thank you.